Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing my brand new Galaxy Watch. It actually came in this packaging, nothing modified. As you can see, the box isn't as nice as the one from the last year, but this watch has a bigger battery. It has auto fitness tracker and wellness tracking. This was present on my Galaxy Watch S3 as well. I will review further the workout activity support, and the main thing which I have bought this watch is because it's water resistant for 5 atmospheres or 50 meters, because the last year was only IP69 if I'm not mistaken, and I only was doing showers with it and nothing else. It is not the LTE watch. It has a 46 millimeter case and 22 millimeter strip. It's actually imported by Samsung Romania. I have bought it on Black Friday for around 270 euros here in Romania. Let's get something to open this. I don't have right now my usually opening tool. Oops. As you can see, the watch comes in a pretty simple fashion box. The last year was more impressive because it had a round box signifying the roundness of the watch. So this is the watch. The color scheme is silver with black. Actually the band is a little bit easier to bend than the last year's watch. It's stainless steel on the front, and on the back it has polycarbonate. I'll be putting the watch a little bit to the side to see what is in the box. Okay, so here we have two side pockets, one of which is the, I think is the smaller band or the large band. Let's get to see this. Yes, this is the small band. Okay, putting it to the side. The wireless charging dock, which I got in the last watch as well. I also have a Galaxy Watch, the 42 millimeters, the gold one for my mother. Okay, the paperwork, which I'll be putting back. I'll be comparing the three of these each side by side. Here is the charging adapter. It's a micro USB. That's actually a poor choice from my point of view, because everyone is moving to USB Type-C right now. And for a new product, it is clumsy to have micro USB from my point of view, especially because it came this year. So this is what we find in the box: the charger, the wireless charging adapter, the watch itself, and the small band. Let's get this off. Now let's compare these two watches. I have right here my Galaxy S3 watch. Let's focus. This is the Galaxy watch. As you can see, the size is pretty much the same. No difference in that. The crown is a little bit stiffer to move on the Galaxy watch, maybe because of the waterproofing. Here on the side, as you can see, they are the same buttons, the same placement of the mic. Let's set the autofocus. Okay. The same placement of the mic, nothing else changed. On the other side, it's actually the speaker grill. And as you can see, only the color scheme of the stainless steel has changed this year. The band is the same, but the last year the bending is a little bit harder, and I think it's more durable, but time will tell. As you can see, my last year band has a little bit of wear here. Okay, the back sensor is a little bit different on the New Year's Galaxy watch. As you can see, this is all glass, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the new sensor, which is a little bit smaller. And this up top, I think, is the ceiling app with which they test if the watch is waterproof. Okay. So basically they only changed the color scheme and some minor changes all around. Let's get started by turning on the Galaxy watch. No. By the way, I was using my current watch in the gym. It is a very good gym companion. It withstanded some of the weights throwing around it and some so I would need to connect these two. Okay, I must synchronize with the phone in order to make it work. But in the gym, the last year is very good. The durability, only a few scratches. I don't know if I can capture it here and there. Nothing to worry about it. And here is some scratches from the weights. Here is a little scratch, but the crown works perfect, no problems there. So actually I need to download the app from the store. I will be resume the video after I synchronize the phone with the watch, so so I can run it and show it how it runs at full boot up. So the pairing is successful. It actually took a while. Here is the weather widget, the notification, the back key. The Bixby is also showing up. Here is some privacy notices. This is the apps home. It actually comes with 82% battery. So this basically is the watch, the menu, apps and everything. I don't see any different things from my previous watch. Here is the weather. It wasn't so annoying on my last. Okay. I think I will synchronize these two so they can work all together, and so I could switch between these two with ease. So I think I won't be feeling any differences between these two. The battery life maybe will be better. I don't know yet, but I will be coming with a new video after a time. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing and comparison. In time, time will tell differences if one of these is better, but I think from the software point of view there will be no major changes. Actually the last year's watch is a little bit heavier from what I'm feeling. Maybe I'm mistaken, but yes, it's a little bit heavier, which I liked pretty much, because I was coming from a stainless steel watch, a mechanical stainless steel watch. Thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and have a nice day.